right. Market's open. Market's open. I wanted to be in a buy, but yeah, we wasn't. Mm-mm. We don't buy at open. We don't jump in at open. Should have though. Should have took a chance with at least one contract, maybe two. It's the wrong music anyway. Appreciate that, bro. Small win yesterday while we wait on structure. 166 bucks. I got out. I'll show you the trade actually while we waiting. Where was it? Right here. Um, was it there? No, I got in. Yeah, I got in here. Yep, that's what it was. I got in here. Price. I missed this move. That was the open. Nope, I'm lying. I caught some of this sale back down. That's what I caught. Let's make sure that's accurate. Trades yesterday, the second. Yeah, I shorted yesterday. So I caught some of I missed this. So let me back up even further. When I got on the charts is about 7:30. So somewhere in here. Oh, by the way, is that music better? I was on the wrong track. Should have been lower. Excuse me. So I got on the charts around here. This trend line was not here. And so I saw that threw that on. Market open here on this candle. I saw this bullish engulf and I thought, man, I should get in. But I'm like, man, that's only 5 minutes before the open. Where would my stop be? And it would have to been, I would have, not really sure where the stop would have been. So I didn't take that. Again, it was at the open, which I generally don't do. Market pushed up and I caught sales back down here. I thought it was going to come through and I got taken out on this next candle. Then I didn't watch it. I walked away, came back, and then I saw price pushing up, and I thought, man, I should have got in on this 5 minute engulfing to carry back up, but I didn't. It consolidated. I drew this line of support, and then I think I had to get out of here by 11, so I didn't take any trades, but I came back, and these markings are after the fact, so I watched price consolidate. Man, it's more about to come down. Break out of this price trap that I call it. Come back, retest it, and this would have been an entry for me. Stops could have been below. It should have been something like that. And take it on up. But that's not the trade I took. This shouldn't even be here. This should have been this template as an idea. So that should look something like that. Could have got in as price. Maybe it'd have been more like this as it broke that high. Price would have pushed up, came back to retest this area, and then just went on about his business. But that's not what I caught. So we waiting, and then this is what happened last night. I was looking at it around here. Around here, 8 o'clock. I wanted to take it. I just didn't. I don't usually trade in the evening. I want to start, but I didn't. Didn't want to risk the little bit I did make. Right now my account is 1952. The goal is 3,000. So got a little ways to go before we hit the 3,000 and pass these two accounts. So I am trading two accounts. 1, 2. I blew this one. And then once I pass these two, I'll start trading with the Express. So that'll be 3 accounts I'm looking to trade at the same time. Man. Look at this. I'm not taking that. I want to. So I'm looking to trade 3 accounts at the same time. Like I said, a little $200 win. That'll be a $600 day and so forth. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm bullish, so I'm not taking any sales, man. Not until we start breaking some lows. So something. If I take a sell, it'd be price has to come below this area, close, come back up, retest for something down. But overall, I'm bullish, so I don't think I'm gonna be taking anything. But the way this thing is moving, man, I don't know. So on the 3 minute, we did get a close below the previous. Got a close below here, so I would love if I were to take a sell right now, it'd be just an anticipation move. But I don't think I think I'm gonna wait at least 15 minutes, see how this 15-minute candle closes. Yeah, ideally I would like to close below here. This is ideally where I would like to close. I don't want to get in on a 3 or 5 minute just because it broke these lows. I like to see it break this low. So to fix that, something like that. Oops. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna do that though, man. Patience, 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 bro. Patience, patience. Oh yeah, we got news at 9. That's a price ain't even moving, man. Price is not even moving on this chart. See, that's that bull, man. See, that's that bull. It's not even moving over here. Hold on, I gotta send out. Because Top Step is tripping. Charts are not even moving. Look at this. Now I just started moving and it's dropped down here. That's that bull. Man, you got it, man. The thing that sucks, man, you don't have any control of these platforms. So something like that, the price freezing, there's nothing you can do. Now I will say, Top Step, if you take a loss for something like that, a glitch, they have been known to make it right, but you don't want to take a loss because of somebody else's issue. Forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I sure appreciate you. Hit the like button if you haven't. That definitely helps my stream. Trying to grow the channel. And I'm considering creating a Facebook group, man. And do my posts in there, analysis in there, and stuff like that, just to just try to help anyone that might be interested, rather than holding like a whole class or something. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, and then I'll probably be streaming out of that instead of public like I am now. You know what? Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. We still got 5 minutes. Oh, man, I kind of want to take this. Kind of. That 21,550, man. So this was the open. Huh. This is why we wait. Because, man, everything in me wanted to take this entry. Because yesterday, this is what happened at open. Just took off. Boom, boom, boom. But you see, taking that trade would have put you in some concern. Heart would have been thumping. You would have been all up here, then all of a sudden it came on back down and closed bearish. Patience, patience, patience. I'm talking to myself, man, because I might just have to step away for a second, to be honest, because I'm feeling antsy. Seeing this engulfing, because I said I should have taken this when it tapped here and didn't close below. Something like that. That would have already hit almost a 1 to 2. Let's see, 1 to 2 right here. That's all you need, man. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2. Look at that. That's gonna hit a 1 to 2 easy. Risk 200, make 400 in a matter of 5 minutes. Man, that's sick. Now, if I take a entry, my stop loss got to be that big. Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? Oh. We're going to hurry up and wait. That could have been, I could have been done. I could have been done for the day. Risk 4, make 8. I just wasn't confident, to be honest, though. Real talk, because this is a level that's been respected, I need closure above. That's truthfully why I didn't take it. And this is, seeing it move is always that, man, if I would have, but for me, that's not my strategy. I need some closure above here. Just because it's, I do think it's about to go, but I don't want to be a part of the liquidity that gets eaten up because I think it's about to go. And then I take a loss unnecessarily because I'm anticipating. No, I can't say that because I'm anxious and not following my trade. I have on my blackboard up here, stop anticipating the market, but you kind of have to anticipate the market, right? I mean, even though let's say my analysis says it's bullish. Well, isn't that anticipating where the market is going? That's what I think anyway. So I might have to get that off my board. The reason when I wrote that, it was because I would be taking, like, I would take a sell. I'm sorry, I would take an entry before the candle closed. Like I was anticipating it to keep doing it as opposed to waiting for a candle closure to give me more confirmation. So this is our current range, 15-minute range. Again, something I've been testing. So let's see how this 5-minute closes. So a lot of people, I think I mentioned on the previous, a lot of people trade the 15-minute opening range, or they call it ORB, opening range breakout. So the first 15 minutes, let's put on a 15-minute chart so you see. So this is the first 15 minutes of the open, halfway point of that range. A lot of people will trade once price closes above that range for a buy, they'll take it, or close below, they'll take sales. I don't necessarily trade that way, but I've been putting it up there just to keep an eye on it. I'm looking to see, engulfing candles. I'm looking to see, like this would have been an entry. It chopped around, came up, came back, retested, then gave me an engulfing. That's what I like to trade. Or like this. We had push up, then it broke below, came back up, and then gave me an engulfing for a sell. This would have been a loss. That's just too much. I'm not trying to take anything that big. I probably would have lost this one actually as I'm looking at it, because I would have waited for the push up, and then this engulfing would have suggested to get in. This would have been a loss for me, full transparency. But I wasn't trading last night. All right, back to the 5. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I know roughly the 50% is at this key level. So I'm gonna get this box out the way because that messes me up. And actually, wait, watch this. This 50% is just about at the highs right here, which would create a level of support, well, resistance support. So that's kind of interesting. And I'm saying that to say that if I did get in a position, my stops will be below this 50% line. Because I would suspect that this would be an area of resistance, turn support. Something like that. We might get left, man. Might have to wait for a pullback. Yep. Okay, the market is tripping, man. Or not even the market, these charts. So look at, this is the 3-minute over here on this chart, but then we look at trading view. Price isn't even moving over there. You know what? I think I'm gonna sit tight, man, for a minute, because this is tripping. How you gonna trade this? You can't trade this. You know what? Hold on. I might be wrong. Hold on. I might have an internet issue. I think I got a text message. Yep, I got a text message from Xfinity. Identified a network performance issue. Okay, so I'm not going to take a trade today, man, just because of that. You know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll go to my practice account. I don't want to, excuse me, I don't want to take anything on my live or my challenge account because of this. But what's weird is they both didn't freeze at the same time. So I don't know if that's a network issue or a broker issue, because they were not frozen at the same time, but I don't want to take that chance. Let's see, working to fix it by 10:30. We'll do our best to minimize disruption. Yeah, we're not going to trade the live or challenge account, I should say. Dang, that sucks. You got any questions, bro, while we waiting for a setup? Man, I wish I could switch to, look at that. Oh, wait, is it 9? It's close to 9. I forgot about 9 o'clock news. So, ooh. So we got Jolt's job opening. 9 o'clock, number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. Grading the forecast is good for currency. So last month, no, April, it was bad. April 1st, it was bad. We had any more news this week? Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be a rough week. We got a non-farm, close this. ADP non-farm, that's gonna be big. PMI. So tomorrow, I definitely won't be trading until after 9 o'clock. Then Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday, yeah, this is a big news week, so it could be a lot of movement, a lot of sitting around waiting, and then boom, big movement. So yeah, this is not gonna be good. And I say that because I need to pass this challenge. I want to pass this by the 9th because that's when I have to start taking trades on my funded account or I can lose it. So that's no bueno. So a lot of news coming up this week. I might not be trading until, not even I might not. I won't be. I'm gonna get on. I get on stream at the regular time, but I won't be trading until these 9 o'clock news on this Wednesday tomorrow, and then Thursday. Well, this is after at 7:30, so we'll be fine there. We'll see what happens, but definitely gonna wait till 9 o'clock, and I'm definitely not trading until they fix this internet issue. Let me know if you have any questions. I got a phone call I want to make in the meantime. Oh yeah, I caught a trade yesterday on the practice account. Um, where was it? It was the longs. Yeah, I did. Okay, so I caught these. What the heck was it? Oh man, hold on. So I was wrong, bro. I did catch this trade, but it's was on the practice account. So this is what I caught. I didn't catch it all the way up here though. You can see the profits. Again, this practice. I wish it was live.
Are you trying to print from an Apple device?
Don't worry about it, bro. I'm gonna actually go ahead and end this stream, man, because I'm not gonna take a trade because of the issue with Infinity, and I gotta make another call, which they're getting on now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream, and I'll holler at you tomorrow, bro, or whenever you get on.